Hey guys, we're back with a new nail art tutorial that's perfect for Valentine's Day. We're going to create two looks using the toothpick method. You need to make sure you have your base color on. It can be nude or any light pink shade. Then you need to take a bright pink polish and carefully draw some swirls with it. Think of it like an uneven French tip, and that means you don't have to be too precise with it either. Then with a toothpick and some white polish, draw small hearts near the tip of the nail. Just 2 or 3 of them should be enough depending on the size of your nail. Then use the same toothpick to draw tiny dots randomly around the hearts. Once everything is dry to touch, apply your favorite top coat. Make sure to seal the edges as well for a long-lasting manicure. Let it dry completely and voila! An easy Valentine's Day manicure that just needed a toothpick and some polishes. The next nail art is a similar take on this technique using 2 complementary colors. Rachita here has picked a light lavender and a maroon burgundyish polish. Taking a blob of color on the toothpick, draw the hearts and polka dots. You can equally get creative and come up with your designs. Comment below your favorite of the two, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such easy nail art videos.